Hi everyone, it's Bola Shokumbi here. I'm the founder of Clever Girl Finance, and we're an online financial education platform that helps you get to a point where you're living life on your own terms and achieving your financial goals. So if you're looking to take charge of your finances, set money goals, and build a secure future, you are in the right place. Clever Girl Finance has a ton of resources to help you on your money journey, whether you're just starting out or you're looking to level up your money game. Let me walk you through everything that Clever Girl Finance has to offer to help you achieve your goals. Let's start with our books. Clever Girl Finance has several published books to guide you on your journey. Number one is Clever Girl Finance Ditch Debt, Save Money, and Build Real Wealth, second edition, which is a comprehensive and foundational guide on transforming your finances. Our second book, Grow Your Money, dives into investing in a way that's simple and accessible. Our third book, The Side Hustle Guide, will help you define your side hustle, create new income streams, and achieve financial independence. Book number four is Choosing to Prosper, which explores my personal story and lessons on overcoming challenges to build wealth and success. And finally, book number five, My Wealth Plan Workbook, which is a hands on tool to map out your financial goals and stay accountable. Next, let's talk about our free courses. So, we're also known for our over 30 plus completely free courses. Yep, you heard that right. Clever Girl Finance offers over 30 plus completely free courses on everything from budgeting to investing to managing debt and starting a business. These courses are designed to empower you with knowledge and practical skills so that you can feel confident and in control of your finances. You can head over to clevergirlfinance.com to check out these courses. Next are our financial planners and the Clever Girl Finance Roadmap. If you're looking for hands-on tools to plan and track your progress with your finances, your budget, your life, or even your business, check out one of the Clever Girl Finance planners to help you achieve those goals. Plus, you can download the Clever Girl Finance Roadmap at clevergirlfinance.com/financial-roadmap. And this roadmap will give you a step-by-step guide to building a solid financial foundation. The Clever Girls Know podcast. For all of you podcast lovers out there, we actually have our own podcast with over 300 plus episodes to date. We cover topics that matter to you, from money mindset to entrepreneurship to navigating life's big transitions. You can listen on your favorite podcast platform to get inspired and learn directly from women who've been where you are. And you don't want to miss our weekly newsletter. It's packed with the latest tips, insights, and inspiration to keep you motivated and moving forward on your financial journey. You can sign up for our newsletter on our website at clevergirlfinance.com, and you will get it delivered to your inbox every single week. You'll also want to make sure you follow us on all social media platforms at Clever Girl Finance for daily inspiration, motivation, and community. And if you are an avid reader, stop by our website, clevergirlfinance.com. We have tons of articles that get updated and new articles added very frequently on everything from budgeting, investing, mindset, motivation, entrepreneurship, and much more. So whether you're looking for books, planners, courses, podcasts, videos, or just some daily motivation, we have got you covered here at Clever Girl Finance. We have everything you need to help you start and sustain your financial journey. Visit clevergirlfinance.com to get started, and be sure to tell your best girlfriends. Remember, financial success is totally within your reach. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you within our platform.